Most people believe that brushing twice a day prevents cavities, but dental statistics in 2026 prove otherwise. Tooth decay remains the most common chronic disease worldwide, even with modern oral hygiene products. The reason is simple. A cavity is not just a hole in the tooth. It is the final stage of a biological process called enamel demineralization. Today, we will break down how tooth decay actually starts and give you a science-based protocol to keep your teeth healthy, strong, and cavity-free for life. To stop cavities, you must understand the biology of tooth decay. Your mouth is an ecosystem filled with bacteria. When you consume sugar and refined carbohydrates, bacteria like Streptococcus mutans produce acid. This acid lowers oral pH and begins dissolving enamel minerals. This process is known as demineralization. When acid attacks happen more frequently than repair, enamel breaks down and cavities form. Your body's natural defense is saliva. Saliva delivers calcium and phosphate back into enamel through a process called remineralization. Healthy teeth depend on maintaining the balance between demineralization and remineralization, not just brushing more often. Before we share the modern 2026 tools for cavity prevention, subscribe to this channel for evidence-based dental health content. If you've ever wondered why cavities happen despite good brushing habits, leave a comment and share this video with someone tired of expensive dental treatments. To prevent tooth decay long-term, you must go beyond the toothbrush. First, control oral pH. Frequent snacking keeps your mouth acidic and is one of the biggest causes of cavities. Second, upgrade your minerals. Nano-hydroxyapatite is now a gold standard for enamel repair because it is identical to natural tooth mineral. Third, protect your oral microbiome. Avoid alcohol-based mouthwashes and instead support beneficial bacteria with oral probiotics and xylitol. Finally, clean between teeth daily. Most cavities start where toothbrushes cannot reach, making flossing or oral irrigators essential. Cavity prevention is a biological strategy, not a guessing game. By reducing sugar frequency, supporting saliva flow, and using biomimetic minerals, you can stop tooth decay before it starts. Healthy teeth reflect overall health. Start today and make cavities a problem of the past.